So I got a nice little surprise the other day. I got a notification on YouTube that someone commented on my last video. I thought it was just going to be one of my mates that are, you know, are bikers and stuff, but turns out it was a YouTuber that I'd watched a few of his videos before, Scottish guy by the name of Shifty1050. He's based up Perthshire way. He's a Transpirit, a black Transpirit he drives about. He goes to Edinburgh and all around. Funny guy. I really enjoy his videos. But yeah, he took the time to just put a quick comment on my last video, and that's very nice of him. Thanks very much, Shifty. It's appreciated. And anyone that's watching this should go and check out Shifty1050's channel on YouTube. You will not be disappointed. My brother keeps sending me videos, reviews of the Triumph Street Triple R. He's trying to get me to buy one of those. He's got one. He's got a 2009 in the burnt orange. It's really nice bike. But I don't know. I mean, I think in the biking world they're kind of like BMWs. Everybody's bloody got one, and sure enough, they're fantastic. You know, they always get fantastic ratings and reviews. It's just, I don't know. Isn't that just a bit vanilla? Yeah. I don't think I'll get up in the morning, put my gear on and go out the back door and look at it and go, wow, you know, I'm so excited to be jumping on that today. I don't think I'll do that. I want something that's going to, that when I look at it I go, whoo, that's really cool, you know. I've always done that with my cars. So I spent way too much on cars over the years. But I think I'm quite happy to spend a good bit of money on a bike that'll make me feel good, you know, even about sitting in work and going, I'm going out riding tonight. Yes, here we go. I mean, I do that just now, even with this bike. Even with the wee KTM 125 Duke. But, you know, I've got a few hundred miles on this now, and it's getting less and less exciting, I guess you could say. But, less and less scary, I guess, is more accurate. I guess that's the same as any, even when you buy a car, a faster car, you get used to the speed after a while and stuff like that. But yeah, I need to get my bloody big bike test done. Come on, you pile of shit. Yeah. Just need to find time that I can take off work and go and do my big bike test. It's tough to take any time off work at the moment, we're so busy. So I don't know when that will be. Been seeing a lot more bikes out now. I think around this time of year, people in Scotland start getting the bikes back out of the garage and MOT'd and all set for the season, for the summer season. So yeah, so I'm seeing a lot more bikes out, which is great. I think the Scottish Bike Show timing's something to do with that, but that was last weekend. That wasn't a Polus. Oh, fuel? What? What? That's the first time I've ever seen that. Fuel range 50 miles it comes on it. That's alright. Well, better go and put some go-go juice in the bike.